Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Career. In this section, we will discuss about Indian Standard Codes for construction materials. I hope as a civil engineers, you all know about IS 456 and IS 800. IS 456 code for plain and reinforced concrete and IS 800 for general construction steel. So, in this section, we will discuss some other important IS codes for construction materials. First material is cement. IS 269 2015 specification for 33 43 53 grade ordinary Portland cement. This standard covers manufacture and chemical and physical requirements of cement grades, especially IS 8112 2013 for 43 grade OPC, IS 12269 1987 for 53 grade OPC. These two codes gives the specification for manufacturing and permitting use of 43 grade and 53 grade OPC. IS 1489 Part 1 and 2 1991 specification for Portland Pozzolana Cement PPC. IS 1489 Part 1 covers manufacture, physical and chemical requirements of PPC, and Part 2 for manufacture PPC using calcined clay-based cement. IS 8041 1990 specification for rapid hardening Portland cement. We all know rapid hardening Portland cement means Portland cement emits more heat during setting, therefore this cement is unsuitable for mass concreting. Some other important specifications for usage of and manufacture of rapid hardening Portland cement includes in IS 8041 1990. Next construction material, coarse and fine aggregates. Important code for aggregates is IS 383 2016 specification for coarse and fine aggregates. IS 383 2016 covers aggregates from natural sources from the major variety used for making concrete, mortar and other applications. So, this Indian standard has been formulated to cover requirements for aggregates derived from natural sources and other than natural sources. Second one is IS 2386 Part 1 1963 Methods of test for aggregates for concrete particle size and shape. IS 2386 includes some other parts. Those parts also explain about test for aggregates. IS 2386 Part 2 Specifications for aggregates for concrete estimation of deleterious materials and organic impurities. Part 3 for specific gravity, density, voids, absorption and bulking. Part 4 explains method of test for aggregate for mechanical properties. Part 5 explains method of test for aggregate soundness test. Part 6 for aggregate measuring mortar making properties of fine aggregates. Part 7 for test for aggregate for alkali aggregate reactivity. Part 8 test for aggregate for petrographic examination. These all codes are very important to test coarse and fine aggregates. Next construction material, brick. IS 5454 1978 Method of sampling of clay building bricks. First of all, we know about clay building brick. This is the most extensively used building material in the construction work. Its quality is of fundamental importance in ensuring the soundness of the building and structures. So, it is important to the sampling procedures which would help in proper and objective evaluation of the quality of the bricks. IS 5454 1978 lays down method for sampling and criteria for ascertaining conformity of solid, hollow, and perforated burnt clay building bricks to the relevant specifications. IS 3495 Part 1 to 9 1976 Method of Test for Burnt Clay Building Bricks. This code includes test for burnt clay building bricks. IS 3495 Part 1 covers the method of determination of compressive strength of clay bricks. Part 2 covers determination of water absorption of bricks. Part 3 covers determination of efflorescence of bricks. Finally, Part 4 covers the method of determination of warpage of burnt clay building bricks. These are the main important IS codes for bricks. Next, IS 1077 1992 Common Burnt Clay Building Bricks. This standard lays down requirements for classification, general quality, dimensions, and physical requirements of common burnt clay building bricks used in buildings. In this code, only includes compressive strength less than 40 Newton per mm square. If you want to know about higher strength building bricks, then you can refer IS 2180 1988. Next one, masonry mortars. IS codes for masonry mortars. First code, IS 2116 1980 specification for sand for masonry mortars. This standard covers the requirements of naturally occurring sands, crushed stone sands, and crushed gravel sands used in mortar for construction of masonry. We all know about sand. Sand is a fine aggregate which is either natural or crushed stone sand or crushed gravel sand. Next code IS 2250 1981 Code of Practice for Preparation and Use of Masonry Mortars. These standard codes explain about preparation of masonry mortars and their use in masonry works. But this standard code does not explain about use of mud mortars, gypsum mortars, and bitumen mortars. This is just explain about use of masonry mortars. I hope this video is informative and you gain some knowledge about some important codes. For more civil engineering videos, subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit like button. Thank you.